Hello everyone, my name is Deniz Senyurt. I work as a commercial real estate investment advisor. About 2 months ago, while we were in total shutdown, I shared with you my insights about Washington DC metro area commercial real estate market. Given that we are moving into phase 3 and opening for business, I decided that I give you an update about the Washington DC metro area market once again. Today, I'm going to talk about the Washington, D.C. metro area industrial real estate market. So let's go in. We have been going through unprecedented times. Everything we know has changed in commercial real estate. In commercial real estate, we classify property types in 4 categories: retail, office, multifamily, and industrial. Today, I'm going to focus on industrial property types and provide you information about the current situation, and also I will provide you information about my predictions for the future of the industrial property market. Is if you are interested in learning about retail, office, multifamily, then I suggest go to my website, denizsenyurt.com, or you can go to my website, mylocationadvisors.com, and you will find some my blog posts about those property types and my predictions about those my analysis about those property types as well. And industrial. Prior to pandemic, the availability of industrial space in the Washington DC metro area witnessed some tightening, especially in the Northern Virginia market. With much of investment focused on life science and cloud computing companies, commercial investors concentrated on acquiring data center and R&D assets, which caused in 2019 to outpace previous year's sales in volume. With vacancies trending below the national rate, DC Metro logistics market had been driven by distribution centers, with the bulk of demand coming from retailers and the third-party logistics. These companies' main objective is to be nearby the major population centers within the metro area and in brick and mortar locations. Given the demand shift to online shopping due to COVID-19, demand for distribution centers are expected to increase at larger levels. The other industrial space consumer in metro area are the tech companies. With the demand for data centers, that we will see more increase in that sense. Data centers in Loudoun County right now host 70% of world internet traffic. With people confined at their homes, we expect to see considerable increase in data centers, and consequently demand for industrial space expected to increase as well. With the expected new deliveries in 2020, industrial space rents are not expected to change considerably in general. However, with the expected bankruptcies of small and medium-sized companies, we might expect to see higher vacancy and decrease in market rent of flex spaces. As for the investment in industrial properties, if we compare the last 6 months of 6 months of industrial property sales with the same term of the last year, we see that sales volume decreased from $461 million to $414 million, and average cap rate is also decreased to 6.6%. The discrepancy between the asking price and sales price it has also increased to 9.4%. It was before 1.8%. So that also shows us that the instability of the market and the difference between buyers and sellers' expectations. As the buyers are expecting to purchase those industrial properties at a lower overpriced, and the sellers are asking for higher price and looking for higher return. They cannot reach to a common, having difficult time to reach to common an agreed price figure. So that's also creating some problems with the sales and long-term sales in the months in this to sell in industrial market. Industrial market, if we summarize what we discussed up until now in industrial market, we can say that demand for industrial space will continue to increase, and we will see increase in online shopping, which will lead to increase in demand for storage, logistic space. We might use some of those extra retail space as storage and repurpose the retail spaces for logistic needs. Demand for flex space might drop due to small businesses will suffer from COVID-19. Rent will stay stable. Sales prices continue to increase. Well, that said, with this presentation, I wanted to share with you my insights about the industrial space, Washington, D.C. metro area industrial space market. And I hope this was helpful. And if you have further questions, if you would like to learn more about industrial space market, and if you would like to if you need some valuation about your property, if you need some if you like to sell your property, please give me a call. I can help you with that. And my phone number is 571-271-6604. And looking forward to connecting with you. Thank you.